Welcome back to the Uncle Bob's farm. We have
road. We are the part owners. These are my livestock over there. All my cows.
It's what funds our JDM addiction.
It's where I make my burgers on Bob's property.
That's fine premium Angus beef over there.
They say it's 100% beef, but it's human body parts.
Why don't you pull on my beef? So it's probably not surprising to anyone, but we're now having a misfire issue with the GTR. It's just not going well.
You're going to own a 32 GTR? Don't think, oh, I'm just going to buy a 32 GTR, it's going to work. It's never going to work, man. This guy right here, behind the camera.
Yeah, I'm hiding because of the shame. Such intense shame. So I was like, yeah, it's finally working.
Poor bugger.
Poor bugger. Yeah, down here in Australia.
Yeah, it's meant to be hot.
This is called a Sino.
Sino, mate.
Yeah, Singo. While wearing your Singo, jump in your GDR, mate.
Should have got my Jacko.
Alright, so we've got a Nardi steering wheel to replace my knockoff piece of shit Momo replica wheel.
I heard that.
This one looks like
Some serious cutting skills. Been listening to Blink 182 much?
My Chemical Romance is where it's at, mate.
Definitely cut a lot of veins to that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nada.
Late Christmas, mate. The Nardi Volanti, steering wheel Volanti Lenkrad.
I want a Nardi deep wish steering wheel, mate. But I just spent $900 in parts, but I'll tell you guys about that later. It's like Christmas. Ooh. Some
yeah.
dish on that. Some nuts.
Wiring.
Oh, it's for the horn. Oh, it's a real Nardi. It's a real Nardi steering wheel.
It's genuine Italian leather.
Made from the horses.
Just install it like this, keep it nice and fresh.
Come on, take it out. Fuck.
Oh, that's deep.
That's sick, man. Look at that. I'll get a close up on that. Oh, it feels real.
I thought it was going to be less deep than that, to be honest.
Did you? Why? Did you want a less one?
Yeah, maybe a little bit less, but
Well, that's alright. I'll buy it off you.
I'll just have to buy another one. Yeah, so that's pretty nice.
Let's get some,
Pretty nice finish on that leather.
we're gonna, what are we doing with it later?
I'm going to install it on my boat.
Your boat?
I bought a nice...
The exhaust is touching the ground.
RV26 powered boat.
Yeah, it's gonna look sick.
I'm going to do some water skiing later. My jet boat.
Do you want one of them? Then get us to 1,000 subs and you can win yourself a Nardi steering wheel.
A Nardi hat.
It's a nice hat. I might get one for myself.
Nice.
Alright.
Alright, homies.
Don't worry, I've done this before. I've watched Too Fast, Too Furious 3 times in one day. So fucking bad!
Welcome to my office, people.
Yeah, man.
This is where I do my most important business.
Biznatch.
My
It's gonna look
business.
sick, man. Look at it already. Should just glue it on. There you go, 2 wheels. No one's ever done that before. Look at that.
So you can steer your drift car while you steer,
steer
a drift
another
car.
drift.
Twice the drifting, mate.
This is the smartest thing I've ever heard. Alright, we're gonna put you guys in a time lapse because I'm pretty sure you're gonna watch us take out every single screw. We know what we're doing. Oh my god, more fucking...
I didn't even need to take out those screws. I'm like sure this comes off 100%.
You didn't need to take this. You didn't take this.
Yeah, so I didn't need to undo those screws.
We're gonna change some oil.
Please put the handbrake on for me.
Yeah, we should do that. Whoa, shit, that's some loose handbraking, man.
Make it fully erect. It's just another thing I've got to fix.
Alright, today we'll be changing the oil. We're using Penrite again. We hope to be sponsored by Penrite, please.
Maybe one day when we actually crack like more than 1,000 subs.
Maybe. We're on that 610, so thank you to all you 610 subscribers. And this thing pulls harder than I pull myself.
Pull out this butt plug. Oh, here we
pull
go.
Pull it out, man. Oh, did you get on your finger?
Look at that.
Oh, perfect, mate.
Pro, not a drop on my finger.
See that? Great success. More oil, the better, but don't overflow it. Please don't overflow it. Alright. Hi, Mark. Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back here at our private road. It's actually owned by my uncle. You might have heard in the other video. Bob, his name is. So yeah, we've been busy. I hope you guys had a good New Year and a Merry Christmas and all that bullshit. You're gonna see this 500 horsepower R32 GTR do some insane launches. We're gonna go the 2K part. And then we'll be doing some shitty things in my R33. Why it looks stock in it, I'll tell you guys in a minute. But yeah, we're here mainly for this. With this. Take a look at that one. R32 GTR. Took it back to the dyno, got it fixed. The O-rings and the injectors
were leaking. Had a vacuum leak, so that's why it was idling too high.
Flies.
And developed a misfire from running rich on the idle.
And they fixed it, they tuned it, they got more power out of it, and now you guys are going to see it right now. Him just go psh.
Just off into the distance, into the sunset.
And about my 33, don't worry, next week, well, parts have come in this week actually. I've got a manual boost controller. I got a Hiker's lock bar because I'm sick of the fucking four-wheel steer. What else? I'm getting gauges, Defi gauges, a boost, water temp, oil temp, and I'm getting a free power CF tachometer as well. That should be next week. Picking up coilovers next week. Getting new wheels tomorrow. Hey, there's a Mustang coming.
So we're not the only people that know about our secret Uncle Bob's dragway.
Should charge him $50 for entering here.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's gonna be a shit ton of videos, all individual videos of everything I'm doing. So there'll be gauges, there'll be tacos, there'll be wheels.
There'll be gauges. There'll be tacos.
I'll be hitting that 0.5 bar, man.
Andrew's been having a few issues with the 33 as well. It's not just me. The bad luck has rubbed off on Andrew as well.
So I'm driving home, and I'm not even like in my town, and my fuel pump carks itself, so that's why I'm off. I put my hazard lights on, and everyone's flipping me off, beeping me, because I have my hazards on the side of the road, broken down. Anyway, I come there with the new fuel pump. I'm sitting in this guy's driveway trying to do my fuel pump, and the cap to the fuel pump, it's very tight.
Very tight.
Very tight. Doesn't matter if you use a hammer and a screw. Shit, man. So I end up twisting it too much, and the fucking edging is so sharp. I don't know if you can see my scars. It was about 2 weeks ago. Ripped them open, bleeding all over my fuel pump, all over this dude's driveway. Had to go fucking rip up a flano. I just fucking crammed it to the bottom of the tank, so it's just gonna have to sit there. Now I'm worried that it's just gonna come loose and just.
It's just gonna be swinging around like this, and when you launch, it'll go.
As long as it collects the fuel, it's alright. So yeah, new fuel pump. So that means when I get the hypergear turbo, I don't have to worry about doing the fuel pump. Can run more boost, more power. So I'm fucking happy. So you guys are gonna see a lot to do with my 33. So shut the fuck up.
Also finished off the Nardi wheel. Added the horn button. So it was interesting trying to wire that up.
It works.
I kept touching the metal side of the boss kit and honking in my garage. That was interesting. Now it looks heaps better.
Catch the golden snitch, mate. Trying to hold this camera is like impossible.